you are exactly in a point where you are feeling a little let down, a little lost, and you are exactly in the age of 23 years old, which I guess is the changing year for everyone. If you're still there and if you're feeling that nothing is happening accordingly, then I think that this is something that you should watch and just hang in there for some time, and I guess you will feel a little bit relaxed if I can help you in that way. Well, I can say this if you guys are wondering that why exactly am I saying about all these things, because I have recently turned 23 and I believe what every one of you are feeling, I have undergone or I'm still undergoing that same thing right now. We are in a phase where things are changing very fast, because a couple of months ago we were in a place where we had all friends around us. We were in a very jolly mood, no responsibilities over us, our family was all supportive and everything. And then within few months, everything has changed. We probably have all started our professional careers and we are living by ourselves, and there's so much of a change that we need to tackle. And then all of a sudden we have become responsible for our lives. I guess this transition has not been very smooth for all of us. And if I am going through all of this, because as a child I have grown up being very happy, if at this point in time I can go through all of this, and I believe that there are so many people who are still going through all of this. So I just wanted to make this video and to tell you guys that believe me, you're not alone. Everyone over here, every one of our age is facing the same very problem every day. Things are not normal. We are not getting everything as per our plan. We are filling up our jobs. We are just doing the jobs from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. doing all kinds of crap and then coming back home and just to pay back our bills. I guess that is not what all of us want. But you know what? It is okay. It is okay to go through this transition. I believe at certain point in time, eventually we are going to land there where we want to. This transition of course is not easy, but believe me, things will work out. If at this point in time we are not able to see things planned out, sorted, it is very, very normal. You are not alone who's facing this. There's so many changes that we are yet to tackle. I guess if you are someone who's in your 23 age and there's falling relationships, believe me, that's quite normal. Every second person is facing this. That is absolutely okay. You will eventually love again. You will be loved again. You'll eventually not land up alone, but with the guy who's, the best for you. It'll happen. It'll take time. But you know what? We have to hang in there. Because till now things have happened smooth and it will happen smooth. If you're wondering that this is not something that you're supposed to do, you have a dream job, it's okay. It's okay, it's absolutely normal if we are not there. We will reach our dream job some or the other day. What you have to do is just to lay a step by step. Take each day as it comes. And you know what? Please learn and be happy. If you are happy and if you think that all these changes happening around you will eventually fade away and give us the life that we want to, I guess you're right. Just keep that thought always there in your mind. There are so many changes that is happening right now. You know what? A few days back we were with a circle of our friends. We were all partying around, had a lot of fun. Now slowly things have changed. We no more are in touch that much, and then the friendship is literally fading a little bit. That's okay. That's quite normal. You will meet new people, you will build more relationships, and you will stick on to those who were meant to be. I guess this is how every single transition is taking place. So don't be all awkward and just crumbling down, get yourself into depression. This is not how I planned my life. This is not what was supposed to happen. Exactly. This is not what is supposed to happen. It is a changing phase. You will eventually follow up and exactly reach the point where you all are expecting yourselves to be. This 23 age is awkward, uncomfortable, hazy, killing dizziness. But I guess what? This transition will someday worth it. I know for myself for sure, and I can vouch you guys that you all will eventually land up where you want to be. Just hang in there and enjoy this transition phase. I read it today morning somewhere, an article, and I strongly adhere to that sentence. If we had it all figured out at 23, the rest of our lives is going to be boring, and you don't want a boring life for sure. So be happy and keep going. Thank you.